Hello, I'm Kevin Henderson, Content Creation Manager at Velsoft. This is the first of what we hope is a number of videos looking at icebreakers and at energizers. What we're going to do is we're going to film them live so you can have a look at how they work, what they look like in the classroom, and that way you can assess how you would like to use them in yours. Thank you. Okay, welcome to Building My Portfolio. I'm Trainer Jack, and if you look there, there's a Wi-Fi password in case any of you need that. What I thought we'd start off with is getting to know each other a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is pass you out these little tent cards. Oh, thank you. And there's some pens. You can pick whatever color you want. And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to put your name on that, just your first name, and 3 numbers between 0 and 20. Okay, just okay, great. Now what I want you to do with that is we're going to introduce each other. I'm going to show you first. I'm going to introduce, and what I want you to do is tell everybody your name, and then you have to include something about yourself that includes these numbers. Okay? So, for example, hi, I'm Kevin, otherwise known as Trainer Jack. The number 7. 7 is actually a really lucky number. It's a number that I do all the time, and so I just like the number 7. So I put that down. 3, I actually have 3 children. I have a boy and 2 girls. 15, well 15 is actually the jersey number of my favorite hockey player. When he was with Montreal Canadiens, Bobby Rousseau was number 15, and so it became the number I always had when I played hockey, and so 15 became an important number for me. Okay? So, if somebody would like to start, just introduce themselves to the other people and include your numbers in with it.
Sure, I'll start. We had some similar numbers.
Sure.
Okay, so my name is Cindy, and the 3 numbers I picked were 15, 3, and 13. And 15 is significant for me for a couple reasons. A, it's my birthday in the month that I was born, and B, it was my jersey number when I played athletics, so that's a number I generally gravitated to. And 3 is similar to Kevin's. I have 3 sons, my 3 sons, so that's number's important to me. And 13 is my lucky number. I've always sat in row 13, seat 13 when I took exams in college, and I always gravitate to that number and felt it was very good luck for me. So that's the numbers for me.
All right, I'll go next. I'm Carol, and I wrote down 4, 6, and 9, and I think there's a sports thing going here. Number 4 is the number that my daughter wears in hockey and soccer. 6 is my favorite number. I don't know why, just always has been. And number 9 is the jersey number of my other daughter in hockey and soccer, and she was also born on the 9th.
Oh, very good.
I'm Claire, and I picked 6, 12, and 2. And, well, 6 has always been my favorite number, too. I just like the number. And I was born on the 12th of April. And then 2, I have 2 siblings. I have a brother and a sister.
Oh,
My name is Chris. I chose 12, 8, and 3. 12 for December, which is usually my favorite month or time of year and winter. 8 is my mom's favorite number, so that came to mind. And I have 3 pets, so number 3.
oh, what are your pets?
I have a dog and 2 cats.
Oh, cool. Okay, well great. Now that we know each other a little bit, we can move on and start our course. This icebreaker is a great one for people getting to know each other. I use it for my course on portfolio. I've also used it for resume writing, those sorts of things, because people need to think about themselves and get those things. But it can be used in any number of situations, any number of different types of courses where you want to get people to start talking, getting to know each other, because that becomes an important part of the workshop or the classroom situation that you're in. Thank you for watching.